my name's Ian Brent. I'm Technical Training Manager for Locks and Powered Access Division. Today I am training, or over the next couple of days, I am rolling out a technical training programme enabling our engineers to get on the first ladder of manufacturer training, which is a Genie generic course, which will hopefully come into play with the sustainability part of it and sort of upskilling our apprentices and making sure that they're the best they can be. We decided to do it like this because I think this really does reinforce everything that what Roger was about, which was making sure that our industry, as well as not only our business, grows, and the apprentices are the up and coming generation, and by making sure that they've got the appropriate training that they need to hit the ground running when they finish their apprenticeships is going, I think, above and beyond. I must admit I'm getting a lot of questions, more questions from the apprentices than what I would do from fully skilled engineers, which I think really reinforces the fact that they're wanting to learn. They're really trying to get as much information out of this. I mean, every engineer that I've ever taught wants training, they crave training, and to see the apprentices really embracing it and asking some really valid questions really does, again, reinforce everything that we do, especially from a technical training point of view. Every single person has come into this room and sat with me during the technical training has been exemplary. I've seen more notes being written in their handouts than I have done in the 2.5 years I've been teaching this course. They're just up for it, and they are an absolute credit to their depots and to the company.
I'm Aaron Thomas, I'm from London West and I'm in my 3rd year of my apprenticeship. I find the training sessions really helpful. I've found some useful information out from Ian, and I think it will help us in the future with stuff like diagnosing problems on machines. What we learn in the classroom, we can near enough just bring straight out here and know how things work, but have a better understanding of it all. Yeah, I think our team are getting on really well. I was a bit apprehensive when I first come here because I only knew 2 other people, but I fit straight in. Everyone gets along and it's good.